Counting. Let's look it up.
10-4, latching in.
Drone in position, 12 minutes power. We've got magnetic interference on the railroad tracks. I'll have to keep distance.
Woo, this is a process.
Lower camera beneath the bridge rolling.
Long range, camera 3 is rolling.
They've got towels wrapped around my legs, but I guess I'm set, ready for countdown.
Stand by.
Alright boys, we came 8,000 miles for this.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like a wacky inflatable tube man. So crazy. Those are my legs. It kind of messes with your vision. What's up, dude?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. You come here often?
Yeah, my man.